Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to learn top 60 most polite, essential, and common English conversations about going to a restaurant. Whether you're traveling, studying abroad, or simply enjoying a meal at an English-speaking restaurant, these useful expressions will help you communicate naturally, confidently, and politely. Let's get started. 1. May I have a table for two, please? 2. Do I need a reservation? 3. I have a reservation under the namesmith. 4. Could we sit by the window? 5. Could I see the menu, please? 6. May I have the drinks menu? 7. What do you recommend? 8. What's today's special? 9. I'd like to order, please. 10. I'll have the grilled chicken. 11. I'd like the steak, please. 12. Can I have a salad instead of fries? 13. I'd like my steak medium, please. 14. Could you make it less spicy? 15. I'm allergic to peanuts. 16. Does this dish contain seafood? 17. Is this dish vegetarian? 18. Could I have some water, please? 19. I'd like a cup of coffee after my meal. 20. Could we have some bread, please? 21. Could I have some extra napkins? 22. May I have a fork, please? 23. Could I have a spoon, please? 24. Excuse me, I think this isn't what I ordered. 25. Could you change this dish, please? 26. This meal is delicious. 27. Everything tastes great. 28. Thank you for the excellent service. 29. Could I have some ketchup, please? 30. Could I have some chili sauce? 31. I'd like another glass of juice. 32. Could we order dessert? 33. I'd like some ice cream, please. 34. What desserts do you have? 35. Is service included? 36. Could I have the bill, please? 37. Can I pay by credit card? 38. Do you accept cash? 39. Can we split the bill? 40. I'd like to pay separately. 41. Keep the change. 42. Thank you. The food was wonderful. 43. We really enjoyed our meal. 44. We'll definitely come back. 45. Have a nice day. 46. Could we have another menu, please? 47. Is there a waiting time? 48. We'd like a quiet table, please. 49. Could you pack the leftovers to go? 50. I'd like this to go, please. 51. Is this table available? 52. Could I have some more water? 53. The food arrived quickly. 54. Could we have a few more minutes? 55. We're ready to order now. 56. Could I cancel this order? 57. This is exactly what I wanted. 58. Everything was perfect. 59. Thank you for your hospitality. 60. See you next time. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope these 60 essential restaurant English conversations help you speak more naturally, improve your listening skills, build your vocabulary, and communicate with confidence in real-life situations. Practice them every day, and you'll become more fluent step by step. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel, like, and share it with your friends. We truly appreciate your support, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.